I should go so he can start winding down.
You goofy. What'd
fell
you do?
over. You're silly.
Well, you're a circus in yourself.
He's like, oh, they like this. So we keep doing it.
What'd you do?
You fell over.
Did you fall over?
Are you dancing for us? What, babe?
Are you two-stepping? Two-stepping.
You're dancing.
I don't know what happened.
You're a goofy baby.
Courtney, come here and watch us.
Uh-oh, he's not going to do it.
Let me see you. Do it again.
Told you.
Do it again.
Dance. Dance. Dance for me. That up, boy. Wee!
You fall over.
All fall down.
Show Sissy.
What? Show Sissy. Do it again.
Show me your dance.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come here over here and do it. Dance with Sissy.
Sissy gonna dance with you? I bet she knows that two-step.
Do it again. Do it again. Yes. You're dancing.
I think we're going to title this one Cameron's What Happened Dance.
Well, Uncle Joel liked that one. You
Sissy,
think
he
you're
wants
dancing
you to
like
do it.
him.
That's what he's doing, isn't it?
Yeah. When you do your
Oh.
step ball change, I think what he's trying when he's mimicking.
Yeah, I'll fall down, roll over.